TELUS App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but high-yield savings doesn't always come from traditional banks. In 2025, the TELUS app is getting attention for offering higher returns idle cash, so let's break down how it works and whether it's actually worth using. TELUS is a financial app that allows users to earn interest by funding real estate-backed loans. Instead of your money sitting in a standard savings account, TELUS uses pooled funds to finance short-term real estate projects, and users earn a portion of the interest. Getting started is simple. You create an account, link your bank, and deposit funds. TELUS typically offers two main options: a lower-risk savings-style account with steady returns, and a higher-yield option tied more directly to real estate lending. The surprising truth is that rates are often several times higher than traditional savings accounts, especially during high-interest periods. One major pro is transparency. The app clearly shows expected yields, payout schedules, and how funds are used. There are no monthly fees, and interest accrues daily, which appeals to long-term savers. However, you won't believe what happens next if you ignore the risks. TELUS is not FDIC insured, meaning your funds are not protected like a bank account. Liquidity can also be limited, especially during periods of high withdrawal demand. Another downside is that returns are not guaranteed. While defaults are rare, real estate lending always carries risk. In conclusion, TELUS is best for users looking to diversify savings and earn higher yields while understanding the trade-offs. If you're comfortable with moderate risk and want your money working harder, TELUS can be a strong addition to your financial toolkit.